Namaste. Hello friends, I am Dr. Preeti Sharma, vascular endovascular surgeon at Renova Hospital. Today I would like to highlight certain things about my branch of specialty, that is peripheral vascular surgery. I would like to highlight is what would be the symptoms or what would be the problems of somebody who is suffering from vascular disease. So to start with, I would like to tell you that our heart is the pumping station. The role of the heart is to give good blood and to get the bad blood back for cleaning in from the circulation. So from the heart, there are two big vessels. The red one, which is called artery, which carries good blood to each and every organ, and the blue one is the vein, which takes this blood for cleaning. Now, as a vascular endovascular surgeon, I treat all blood vessels from head to toe, but I don't operate on the heart. Heart becomes a cardiac surgery specialty. So, rest all of the blood vessels are taken care by vascular and endovascular surgeon. So, what problems would you encounter in any blood vessel? So, when it comes to an artery, the problem can be either it is forming some clot, that is the reason that organ is getting less blood or no blood, or that artery is gradually choking, it is gradually becoming smaller in size because of some calcium or some plaque which is gradually building up in the blood vessels, and that is the reason some patients present with what we called as gangrene, in which the blood supply to that part of your body is no longer there, and that is why that part is dead and gangrene, and some of them also end up losing some fingers, some toes. So the reason why I am highlighting is if we are able to treat it in time, then we will be able to help you in the right way. So what would I do to help? If there is just a clot which is blocking the blood vessel, I remove the clot by a surgery or by giving some medicines endovascularly so that blood flow is restored. Or when there is a plaque where there is calcium, I do something like a stent, in that is an angioplasty, in which I open the blood vessel and if required put in a stent after the balloon angioplasty so that blood flow to that limb or to that organ is restored. Another role of vascular surgeon comes especially when there is a road traffic accident. For example, most of the bones, the arteries are in close proximity with these bones. So whenever there is an accident or there is a bone fracture, the artery is cut off. So my role comes in repairing the artery along with the other specialties to maintain blood flow to the leg. Another role in which I have an important stake is in patients who are suffering from cancer. In those, if the cancer is involving the blood vessels, there I make new blood vessels so that the cancer tumor or the cancer mass is removed and blood vessels are reconstructed so that the organ gets the right amount of blood. Now, something which all of us are very common or well versed is called as varicose veins. So, the role for a vascular surgeon in varicose veins is if they have become grossly dilated and there is reflux which is there, then I have a role of doing some intervention in form of lasers, radiofrequency ablations, glue, etc. Another role is when the blood, instead of flowing in the normal direction, it clots. So then the patient presents with swollen leg, that is called as DVT, which can be treated by various methods, by blood thinners, by putting filters, by suction, penumbras. So here I would like to conclude. If any one of you is suffering from any problem related to their hands, legs, to their abdomen, to their brain, please don't hesitate. We are here 24/7 to give you services. Thank you.